YouTube channel, and today's video I'm gonna show you something else. I'm gonna show you my lighting setup, how I did this, because you have seen it before that my lighting condition was not so much good or so much colorful, but today I have something different. I have one light, the old one, and I have another one, that is SMITCH, the new one. I ordered this from Flipkart and it arrived today. It has arrived today or something else, I don't know. So I have this. I have ordered this, two of it. One is already on the holder and another is on my hand. I will try it. But before that, I just wanted to review it. I just wanted to make a review on it. So here it is. This is a very beautiful light, and this is a make in India product. I mean, this is Indian product, fully Wi-Fi controlled, and it has 1 year of hardware limited warranty, something else. I don't know what does it mean. and the product is manufactured by an Tamil Nadu based company. So obviously I would like to prefer you or all of you, if you try this, it will value for money. This is only 259 or something else. It has a price, but the printed price was 1119. The printed price is very high, but I got these two of it with the price tag of 568 was the price of two of it. So I will prefer you to buy it, and I'm just unboxing it. Quick unboxing process. We have to cut this plastic first, like this, or whatever, just trash it. Now you will get a booklet guide. I mean, it's a guidebook for a bulb. And this is the bulb. This is like this normal bulbs, 10-watt bulb, not very polished, not very rough, but standard. Okay, so I'm just going to try this. There is the light, the old one, I mean the first one, and I'm just going to, so it's done. I have to switch it on. Then you have to download this app. You will find it in Google Play Store, or the details are in those book. I mean, in this book. Wait, whatever. This is the app. This is the color wheel, like RGB, but first we have to add the light, because for this you have to go to group, it says you need devices. Okay, I will do it from the start with two of light. I will add another light from this add button. It says something like this, I don't know what it says. It says new device, new room, new scene, new device, obviously. New device. So first we have to add from this home button, new device, light, and it will search for the light. We have got on bedroom, we have to connect those light with the Wi-Fi if you have, or with the phone internet or Wi-Fi, not internet. It says preparing the device. Let's have some coffee. Continue. Name your new device. I name it Sammy. Well, I have Sammy and Mimi. Though both are on. Now one is green and one is yellow. Fun. We have some rooms here. Okay. So it's just getting more upgraded. When I just add another device, the menu changes. The menu changes all the way. And it is going out. There is good morning. There is timing, there is good morning, there is going out, there is movie. It's like a post test, I guess, and it's good. But right now I want to change my color, and I take blue. So I have another blue, but I will make it red. Green. I want to make some dance kind of effect, so I am going to effect and strobe. There is another thing, candle. The light will dim freckles. It will look like more frequency disturbance, but it's good. We can control the color from here. We can control the density from here. So I'll tell you, I will guarantee. I will guarantee. No, I will not. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share my experience or the feelings I am feeling about those light on this day. It's good. I appreciate that. So thank you. And one thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love.